Efficiency, best uses, capacity and accuracy. The 4 main topics we get asked about. In this video, we're going to answer your key questions on the concrete pouring bucket. The first question we get asked is, why would I use a concrete pouring bucket over a concrete pump? The concrete pouring bucket is a much more cost-effective option. This is because you have the one-off payment of the concrete pouring bucket compared to the expensive continual hire of a concrete pump. We'd recommend using a concrete pouring bucket when the concrete truck can't back up close enough to where you're pouring on site. The excavator can track from where the concrete truck is to where you need to pour it. Furthermore, the concrete pump needs to be attached to the concrete truck to be able to pour. If you're on a site which is boggy or too small, this can cause issues, and that's where the concrete pouring bucket comes into play, as your excavator can track across boggy ground and reach those hard to reach areas. So what materials are these best used with? Well, the clue is in the name of this attachment. It's a concrete pouring bucket, so it's best for pouring concrete around foundations, into trenches, or around pipes, or even laying concrete slabs. But these are also extremely useful for other pourable aggregates, such as pea shingle for drainage, or sand in trenches, or even wood chippings around a play park. So in summary, this attachment can be used for multiple materials, so you get the best out of your attachment. How much material can the concrete pouring bucket hold? The capacity of the concrete pouring buckets can vary between manufacturers and or the size of the machines you're looking to fit this to. But to give you an example, the Rhinox 5 to 9 ton concrete pouring bucket comes with a 0.35 cubic metre capacity, or 350 litres. And the 12 to 25 ton Rhinox concrete pouring buckets come with a 1 cubic metre capacity, or 1,000 litres. Why do some concrete pouring buckets come with a chute? The rounded chute allows you to accurately pour in small or complex places with near centimetre precision. The improved directional pour means that you can pour narrow foundations around small pipes and directly into small containers with ease. More accurate pouring means less overspill and less cost on wasted material. Having no chute makes it harder to pour material into specific places, and so increases the spillage rate. So there you have it, the 4 frequently asked questions about concrete pouring buckets. If you want to know more about any of the questions answered in this video, be sure to check out our playlist here, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful content, which in turn is less wasted material.